Turn Claude Code into your WooCommerce command center. One MCP connection is all it takes. In Insightful Pipe, go to Connectors and click Add Connection. From the available platforms, select WooCommerce. The connector needs your store URL, consumer key, and consumer secret from the REST API. Head to your WooCommerce admin and copy the store URL from the address bar. Navigate to WooCommerce Settings, then Advanced, and click REST API. Create an API key named Insightful Pipe with read and write permissions. Generate the key and copy both the consumer key and consumer secret. Back in Insightful Pipe, paste the credentials and click Test and Connect. Now in VS Code, add the MCP server using the Claude MCP add command with the server URL. The server is registered. Launch Claude Code by typing Claude. Claude Code starts up. Use the /mcp command to verify your servers. The WooCommerce server appears but needs authentication. Select it to start the OAuth flow. A browser window opens. Grant access to the WooCommerce MCP connector. Authentication is complete. The WooCommerce MCP is connected and ready. Ask Claude Code to generate a comprehensive WooCommerce performance report. Claude Code begins processing, querying your store's account info and available data endpoints. It discovers the available actions and retrieves the detailed schemas for each query. Claude pulls all the data in parallel: sales reports, orders, products, categories, and customers. The full performance report appears with an executive summary, revenue metrics, and key performance indicators. It details checkout completion rates, top products by revenue, and regional sales performance. Plus actionable recommendations and a summary scorecard to optimize your store. That's WooCommerce connected to Claude Code with Insightful Pipe. Explore all MCP servers at insightfulpipe.com and connect your platforms to AI today.